When people think about the things they most want to change about themselves, weight loss frequently tops the list. Whether you want to boost your self-esteem, improve your stamina or enhance your resistance to disease, there are dozens of reasons why you might want to be thinner than you are. However, it's also famously hard to lose weight. Plus, it is equally tough to keep it off once it is lost. If you've tried lots of different strategies, then you might be on the verge of giving up entirely. But the good news is that changing your mindset might be the key to long-term weight loss. While weight loss through positive thinking might sound too good to be true, success stories prove otherwise. Let's take a look at exactly how positive thinking, self-reflective exercises, hypnosis and powerful law of attraction techniques can be harnessed in order to help you cultivate the body you've always wanted. Can you use positive thinking for weight loss? While people most often set manifestation goals that involve love and money, when you develop a comprehensive understanding of the law of attraction, physical change is just as possible. Though it's not realistic to believe you can lose weight overnight, law of attraction techniques can markedly speed up the process. If you've been through multiple fad diets, frustrating exercise plans and failed commitments to weight loss, positive thinking can be the key to finally creating an entirely new path for yourself. So, how exactly does it work? One of the best ways of thinking about it is in terms of your thoughts and actions coming into alignment. This can result in inspired action that reflects a specific intention. In this case, it is the intention to lose weight. For many of us, underlying negative feelings and unhelpful assumptions ensure that our cognitive and emotional lives are entirely inconsistent with our outward commitments to losing weight. As we'll explore below, manifesting long-lasting weight loss has a lot to do with examining and changing your relationship with food, exercise, and body image more generally. As a bonus, using the law of attraction for weight loss can boost your overall well-being. This can, in turn, give you a set of tools that can help you achieve additional goals. Think yourself thin. How to manifest weight loss. We'll now turn to consider some of the most effective practical exercises that help to explain how positive thinking might hold the secret to weight loss. Pursued in order, the following 7 steps should assist you in setting concrete, achievable goal. Plus, this guide can show you how daily efforts to change your beliefs and emotions can lead to incredible shifts in physical fitness and self-esteem. As we go through each step, we'll offer concrete examples that will help you see how you can quickly and effectively apply these techniques in your everyday life. 1. Find out why you want to lose weight. If you look at law of attraction weight loss success stories, one thing you'll frequently notice is that the people in these stories have extremely clear aims in mind. So, spend some time identifying your reasons for losing weight, and then take an honest look at the beliefs and assumptions underneath. If your reasons are negative, it will be much harder to achieve your goal. This is because you will be focused on ideas about lack, resentment and failure. For example, if you want to lose weight because you're always comparing yourself to your ex's new partner, you're starting from a place of utter negativity. To succeed in using the law of attraction for weight loss, you need to formulate positive goals that make you feel good. Here, think of things like wanting to have the stamina to climb a mountain, take up a new sport, or run after children in your family. Even if you don't have particular positive activities in mind, generally positive goals can also work, e.g. reducing your risk of developing chronic conditions. In sum, you'll want to find one or more positive reasons for losing weight, reasons that come from a place of self-respect and a desire for growth, not from self-loathing. 2. Love your body. On a similar theme, manifesting weight loss is much easier if you're able to develop a positive, loving attitude to your current body, not just towards the body you imagine developing in the future. Positive thinking for weight loss begins by enhancing your self-esteem, and by being grateful for what you're able to do right now. Some of the best methods for developing this sort of self-love include the following. Treat your body kindly. Feed it nurturing food, allow it to have enough sleep, and pamper it, e.g. with a soothing hot bath, or a massage session. Make a list of the top 10 amazing things your body can do, from the things you take for granted to the highly specific skills you've cultivated over your life so far. Make a pledge to stop comparing yourself to other people. Remember that the very things that you envy may be the things that they hate, and the things you dislike about your body may evoke envy in others. Dress the way you plan to when you lose weight, rather than waiting until the number on the scales drops. Your body is already a perfect body, law of attraction techniques are not required to make it so. 3. Change your relationship with food as you work to manifest weight loss. It's not just your relationship with your body that matters. Your relationship with food is arguably just as crucial. Start paying attention to how you feel when you're eating, and on how you might be able to change that. For example, do you feel bad about yourself when you eat specific foods? And if you're prone to excessive snacking or to binge eating, ask yourself what feelings are driving these binges. For many people, anxiety, stress, and sadness are triggers for eating too much. When you identify specific things that tend to push you towards unhealthy choices that leave you feeling even worse than you did to begin with, try to develop other strategies for dealing with those emotions. Perhaps you might start exercising when you're stressed, or begin creative projects when you're struggling to deal with a flood of difficult feelings. The goal here is to uncouple eating habits from negativity. You can also change your relationship with food by putting more thought into how you prepare it. Contrast a microwaved meal eaten in front of the television with a fresh dinner that you cooked while listening to music. The latter reinforces a positive relationship with food that focuses on self-care. 4. Exercise your mind. Another important aspect of your law of attraction weight loss strategy involves cultivating your brain power. As you enhance your cognitive skills, you improve your ability to reason. It can also enhance self-control and occupies your thoughts with positivity. Here are a few simple exercises to get you started. Switch a few tasks in your daily routine so that the order regularly changes. This is proven to exercise the brain and increase neural activity, whereas following routines decrease this activity. Try to go through your entire bathing routine with your eyes closed, once you've safely climbed into the shower, of course. This boosts your sensory awareness. Deliberately engage with more people during the day. For example, choose to check out at the grocery store's main counter rather than using a machine. Even small social interactions improve cognitive abilities. Brush your teeth with the opposite hand. This helps to expand parts of the cortex that process information. Read out loud, or ask someone else to read to you. The brain focuses on different aspects of a text when you're reciting it or hearing it, so this can be particularly useful if you're studying. Challenge yourself to come up with 10 possible uses for an everyday object. 5. Increase your self-awareness. In your quest to think yourself thin, it's important to look below the surface and develop more self-awareness. One particularly powerful way to do this is to start seeing yourself as active. Fascinating new research on the types of habits that promote weight loss shows that if you believe you're doing more physical activity than the average person, you're more likely to lose weight. This applies even if you change absolutely nothing else about your daily routine. In the relevant study, maids were told that their daily jobs were physically arduous. They reliably lost more weight than the control group, who were told that their exercise output was merely average. This same shift in perception was linked to a health-promoting reduction in blood pressure. These results underline how developing a more positive view of yourself and your behaviors can help you reach your goals at a faster rate. So, think of yourself as a fit, energetic and active person who is continuously losing weight. As a result, you might just find that you do. It's worth noting that this approach generalizes. Therefore, whenever you set a goal, try to spend some time seeing yourself as the kind of person who can achieve that goal. 6. Meditation for weight loss. You might traditionally associate meditation with stress reduction, but it can also be used to promote weight loss. In particular, it's helpful to visualize yourself as having already lost weight, emphasizing all of the positive thoughts you have about your goals. In other words, think skinny thoughts. Simply set aside 10 to 15 minutes per day, spend a few minutes on deep, slow breathing while your eyes are closed. Next, build up a detailed picture of yourself as you aim to be at the end of your manifestation journey. See your body as it will be. This could be wearing the clothes you like, and feel free to do all the things you want to do. Engage all of your senses, and really immerse yourself in the self-confidence, empowerment, and joy you know you will feel. If you find the meditation process difficult, start by spending a few minutes on breathing exercises. You'll soon find that your focus and concentration grows, allowing you to spend increasingly more time doing creative visualization. In addition, note that you can enhance the effects of meditation even further by undergoing hypnosis. E-hypnosis offers a self-hypnosis program that you can engage with in your own time, and which helps you cultivate positive feelings around weight loss. This is an inexpensive, powerful way to improve your self-control and build your confidence. Plus, contrary to popular belief, hypnosis can't make you do things you don't want to do. Weight loss hypnosis can only make it easier for you if you already want to do it first. 7. Law of Attraction. Weight loss affirmations. Finally, affirmations can be extremely useful when you're using the law of attraction for weight loss. These are simple, positive statements that reflect your goals and help you to internalize a more positive view of yourself. Examples include the following. I am strong, confident and happy with my body. I am improving my physical health every day, and I can see it in my body every day. I steadily lose more weight. I release myself from guilt, negativity, and shame around food. I take care of my body every day. There is no need to overeat. I can manage my emotions in healthy ways. I feel love and gratitude towards my body for all it can do. It is easy for me to lose weight and improve my health. I love, accept and care for myself no matter what I look like. I can do anything I set my mind to. Even now, I am getting fitter and healthier. I am healing my body and healing my mind. My body is losing weight right now. I am growing and changing, becoming who I was always meant to be. I deserve to feel good about myself and my body. It's important to be aware that these examples are only intended to serve as inspiration. You should feel free to design your own law of attraction weight loss affirmations, adjusting the above to what you see fit. Regardless of the ones you choose, when you're working towards weight loss, it's most effective to say your affirmations in the mirror when you look at yourself. Some people prefer to do so at the start of the day. Meanwhile, others like to practice affirmations at the end of the day so that they go to sleep with a positive mentality. Want to create positive change in your life? It is possible to change your thoughts and feelings in a way that actively boosts weight loss, as well as enhancing self-esteem. If you consistently practice the law of attraction techniques, you can cultivate a healthier, happier body and promote personal development in the process. In addition, you can apply these same techniques to your other goals. You can improve everything from your career to your love life and financial abundance. Positive thinking is useful in all areas of life. Now that you know how to use the law of attraction for weight loss, why not take the next step and enhance your positive thinking with a self-hypnosis program? Those who use manifestation exercises in conjunction with hypnosis often report achieving better results at a faster rate. In many cases, just a few sessions of hypnosis can permanently shift your mentality. Consequently, you may find using a weight loss hypnosis an easier and less stressful experience. You can select plan below http://bit.ly/beliefs-law of attraction. I attached link below description. And follow it. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe for more or share to help more people. Thank you so much.